Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata guys and you're trying to find and replace the exhaust camshaft position sensor. Stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish guys and we'll explain how to even test those sensors, so make sure you stay until the end. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So specifically what we have here guys, we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. You need to remove the upper engine cover. How you do that, you have 4 bushings that attach 1 2 3 4 to these posts, okay, right here. Okay, so we are going to get this thing out of the way. Now let's explain quick guys. I need to tell you something. Right here on this side of the engine, that's your intake manifold. On the back side of the engine, that's your exhaust manifold. Now you're starting to wonder, okay, where is the exhaust camshaft position sensor? Your cylinder head will have 2 camshafts. One is intake, towards the intake side, one is exhaust, towards the exhaust side. Looking at this sensor, this is the intake camshaft position sensor. If you look towards the back side, the same position, but on the back of your engine, this device right here is actually guys the exhaust camshaft position sensor. How you guys replace that? Okay, pretty simple. 12mm socket, you need to remove that mount for the engine guys, the one that you tie the engine if you need to remove it out of the car. Get that bolt loose. Okay, it just goes by hand. Check it out, pretty simple. Okay, let's hold the mount so it doesn't fall. Perfect, and I'll go ahead and remove the bolt. Okay, right there. You can see, you can pull it out now. This is the bolt. Okay, like that. The mount will come to the side. Okay, then you have another mount that protects the camshaft position sensor from the heat. Now on the bottom side of that camshaft position sensor guys, it's hard for me to show you. You're going to have one 10mm socket guys, 10mm bolt. Okay, it will be on the bottom side. So let me show you. Okay, kind of like right there. It looks kind of like this one here guys, almost the same. Okay, you can see that bolt there. That's what we'll have there as well, 10mm. So let's go ahead, get it going. It's a little bit inconvenient place, but it's not too complicated guys. You can do it yourself pretty easy. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, we got it loose, perfect. Now usually when you get those things loose, you go by hand and you can unscrew them really easy guys. Check it out now. Okay, I'm unscrewing it by hand. Now there is a problem here guys. That camshaft position sensor, if it hasn't been removed in a while, it will be stuck. There is one O-ring and we'll recommend to always install new O-ring. If you're replacing the sensor, most of the times they'll come with a new O-ring. Disconnect the wiring harness. Okay, you press here and you pull it out. In some cases you may have a safety clip and it may look something like this one that you need to pull out. Okay, check it out, like this one, and then you press down, but in our case it's broken. Somebody already replaced it in the past. So grab the sensor, you can twist it a little bit and pull it out. This is your sensor. Make sure you don't drop anything in the cylinder head. And this is the sensor. You can see how dirty it is. That can actually make your sensor not to work correctly as well. Also, we have a special video that explains how to test camshaft position sensor on Hyundai Sonata, so check it out. Video will be on the channel and it's going to teach you how to do that, everything from start to finish, because there is no need to replace it guys if yours is still good. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.